Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 is getting hot but blowing no air, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning motor, which can cause the machine to overheat. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further damage, potentially requiring a more extensive and costly repair. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement motor for the Dyson HD01, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth to keep your work area clean. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged and cool to the touch. Carefully locate the screws securing the casing and use the appropriate screwdriver to remove them. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once you have the casing off, you should see the motor assembly. The common fault lies within the motor itself, which you can identify by looking for any signs of damage or wear. To extract the motor, gently disconnect any cables attached to it. Be cautious here. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the cables, you can unfasten the screws holding the motor in place. Apply gentle but firm pressure to lift the motor out of its housing. When replacing it, make sure to align it correctly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached but not overly tight to avoid damage. Once the new motor is in place, carefully replace the casing and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is tightened properly but don't over-tighten, as this can crack the plastic. After you've reassembled your Dyson HD01, plug it in and perform a test run to ensure it's functioning correctly. If it blows air as expected, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dyson. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check the motor for any signs of wear. Keeping your device well maintained can significantly extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.